Barbie Extra $5 set on sale. Yes, I'm gonna buy it. Oh no, the price dropped and I already bought it.
Oh no, not that dream again.
Wait, it's Christmas. Time to open some presents. Yeah!
Happy holidays, everyone. Today I am opening my Christmas presents and gifts from some amazing people in the doll community and a few I bought myself from Etsy shops, Shopify, and a few stores. Without further ado, let's get started. Holiday cards! In the doll community, exchanging holiday cards is like a thing. This one's from the Doll Junkie on Instagram. She sent 2 cards, one for the human and one for me. So cute. Let's put this on the fireplace. Better yet, let's just put it right in the middle of the wall. Ooh, we have another card with a present inside. It's from Dollicious Life on Instagram, and looks like there's a website, deliciouslife.com. Ooh, fancy. Fabulous fit, super neat. Oh yeah, folks, I can rock this. Oh, thank you so much, I love it. Here's another card. This one is from Ellie of Finland. Loving the hats. Another card for my wall. This is so much fun. Okay, what's next? Who could that be?
Special delivery.
Hey, I know you. You're Barbie Looks doll number 9.
It's about time you showed up.
Sorry. You know how it is around the holidays? Stuff gets delayed.
Dude, are you wearing boots on my carpet?
Sorry. Here's your box. Enjoy.
Farmhouse tray and accessories. I know what this is. I ordered it on Etsy. Broombell Designs on Etsy and Broombell Barbie on Instagram. Everything's packed so nicely. It was $25. A little gift to myself. There's a black wooden tray with a book, a tree, a pine cone, and a candle. How cute is that? They are all separate pieces, so I can pick them up and move them around. It's a nice little addition to our holiday room. Oh my, this is from Azusa Barbie. I love her Shopify and her adorable pink Barbie apartment. It's everything. Aw, she sent me a gift. Wow. Are those cell phone stands? Human, put a cell phone on it. And let's see. Oh my goodness. A mini light up sign. Yo, it's glowing. This is so much fun. And a Azusa Barbie bag. I can really carry stuff in this, like dolls, so they can be safely stored when I go out on my photo shoots. Oh, and there's a picture on the back. How cute is that? An earring stand filled with mini earrings. Those are cute. Ooh, and so are those. Are those tiny little airplanes? Fancy. I think I'm gonna wear these today. Check out this little clear Louis Vuitton bag. There's a cute little print going around the side, some leather details, gold. You are spoiling me. And I love it. Here's another bag. It has pink details. There is the Azusa Barbie logo on the front. The bag is clear, has pink straps. There is a matching coffee cup and a little accessory bag with a tassel. Love it. Love it all. Ooh, more mail.
Special delivery.
Thank you very much. Wait a minute. You're Barbie Fashionista number 184.
Yep. Tropical shirt and all. Orange pants rolled at the bottom and white shoes.
That are on my carpet. Why does nobody remove their shoes when they enter the house?
My bad. See you around.
This is from Mombi Plays Barbie on Instagram, also known as Made by Mombi on Etsy. I made an order a few days ago. There's a little thank you card. And here are the shirts I ordered. Okay, I'm gonna try them on. Here's the first one. It says, probably late for something. That's so me. I'm always late to doll events. I'm really sorry about that, by the way. Snaps in the back. That's nice. And the second shirt says, calories burned by sarcasm, 1,593. It's funny because it's true. Oh, wow. And it fits the guys, too. But wait, there's more. Oh, what a perfect little gift. A tote bag. This will be perfect for the beach. And mini stained glass art. Well, it's not real glass, but it totally looks like it. And look at how thin those lines are. It's a cute little frog. I can't wait to cut out a hole in the wall and hang this up. There was an extra goodie in the bag. Look at this little sign for the kitchen. Kitchen for display only. It's funny because it's true. And we have a new holiday card for our wall. And I'm keeping this bag. What? I can use it again next year. Dear Toya, we hope you like your gifts. Merry Christmas, Mimi's Doll World on Instagram. Of course I'm gonna love them. I love presents. 'Tis the season for great bags. So cute. Loving all those little gold details. Check out this one. Louis Vuitton, y'all. That's cool. It opens and closes with a magnet. And there was a little tiny wallet inside. Y'all are killing me with these details. There was a little black Chanel bag that also opens and you can put stuff in it. Love it. Thank you. This year, Barbie Model Mayhem on Instagram helped me to be a part of this beautiful event hosted by Effie Uptown Couture, the Once Upon a Winter's Ball collection. It was a fashion presentation showcasing items from the Uptown Trend Boutique Etsy shop. And I had the honor of wearing one of the dresses. It's right here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try it on for you all. I absolutely love this dress. It has a long train. It's a beautiful dark, rich burgundy velvet with gold sequin on the inside. Do you see all this sparkle? Look at the top. I feel like a princess. Better yet, queen. Thank you, Barbie Model Mayhem, for helping me keep up with my schedule, and to Effie Uptown Couture for this beautiful dress. Another card! This one is from Mitten State Barbie, a super fun doll account on Instagram. Takes amazing photos and gives me another photo for my wall. This just came in the mail from one of my Fabsome besties. It's a little Christmas sweatshirt. I am totally trying this on. Oh my goodness. Everything is so neat. Do you see this stitching? These sewing skills are on point. Yo, if you ever open an Etsy shop, let me know. Wait, what's this? There's something else in the box. A head. I love it. And I love the doll community because this is the only place where stuff like this is normal. Yo, this is not just any head. This is an Integrity Toys head. Don't worry, give me some time. I'll find you a body donor. A few months back on Instagram, Bella Bella Doll opened up a Kickstarter campaign for a new doll photography book. And today, it came in the mail along with a Christmas card. A very cute Christmas card from the Bella Bella Doll team for the wall. And here's the book. Well, this is just the miniature one made by the very talented Paperina on Instagram. And here is the actual human-sized book. Look, I'm on the back, along with many other talented creators. I am very excited to try out some new tips and tricks to improve my photography. Thanks for making this book. And I want to say thank you to all of you for making this a magical, fabulous holiday. You all are the very best, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thank you for joining us for a little holiday vlogging. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see all of you next time. Bye! Man, I'm hungry. Breakfast. And don't worry, it's sugar-free.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.